Sachin Tendulkar is one of the most successful cricketer in the world. In his entire career, he has seen lot of ups and downs. Many times he lost his form and people used to say now it's a time to retire from his cricket world, and people used to say now it's an end for Sachin Tendulkar. Whenever people used to say like this, Sachin Tendulkar, he used to bounce back and he used to play very good cricket. Now everything is history. Now Sachin Tendulkar is the father of cricket world. He is a god of cricket world. He scored 100 plus centuries. He scored 20,000 plus runs. Now everything is history. In the same way, when it comes to investing into stock market, from last 1 year, many quality stocks they are trading in a discounted price. Many quality stocks they are not giving good return. It doesn't mean that it's end for the company. Friends, currently stocks are maybe having very tough time. In the future, things will normalize. Stocks will definitely create wealth for the investors. Friends, whenever stocks are getting correction, we need to understand this correction is only for a short term or is this going to impact the long term? Is this internal factor or external factor? If it is only for a short term, definitely we should buy that quality stocks. We should accumulate in a systematic manner so that we can create huge wealth in long term. Hello friends, this is Vijay and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon because we'll be getting a lot more update with regards to investment. Friends, in this video, I'm going to discuss about 8 quality stocks. They are trading in a discounted price. Over the last 1 year, stocks are not giving good return, but in the future, stocks will bounce back and definitely it will create huge wealth for the investors. Along with that, so domestic institutional investors, they are buying this stock in a systematic manner from last 4-5 quarters. When domestic institutional are buying, they don't buy any stock simply. When there are fundamentally strong companies, then only they will buy that stock. Let's get started.
First stock in the list is which is DMart. DMart is owned and operated by Avenue Supermart. The DMart business is very simple. They will buy the product from manufacturer in a bulk and they will sell it to the customer in a discounted price. Currently, stock is trading 3,525, which is 23% discount from its lifetime high. Long-term investors can buy the stock with a long-term prospect. Currently, stock is trading a P of 97, which is below its mid PE. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters they're having a shareholding of 74.98 percentage, which is very good. If you look at the DIS, FIS, currently they're having a shareholding of 8.63 percentage. If you look at the DIS, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 6.77 percentage, 6.88 percentage, 7.04 percentage, 7.11 percentage. The next stock in the list is which is from the NBFC sector, which is Bajaj Finance. For the last 10-15 years, Bajaj Finance has been a biggest wealth creator, but currently stock is trading 5,866, which is 24% discount from its lifetime high. So if you look at the P ratio, currently stock is trading a P of 35, which is below its median PE. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters they're having a shareholding of 55.91 percentage. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 19.87 percentage. If you look at the DIs from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 11.22 percentage, 12.03 percentage, 12.09 percentage, 12.37 percentage. The next stock in the list is from the pharma sector, which is Divis Lab, one of the largest API manufacturer company in India. Currently, stock is trading 3,369, which is 27% discount from its lifetime high. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters, they're having a shareholding of 51.94 percentage. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 15.15 percentage. If you look at the DIs from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. 18.32 percentage, 19.98 percentage, 20.75 percentage, 20.62 percentage. The next stock in the list is which is from the banking industry. It is Kotak Bank. Many data suggest that India is going to be a third largest economy after US and China. If India wants to grow, banking sector has to do well. The currently bank is trading 1,768, which is 11% discount from lifetime high. So if you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters they're having a shareholding of 20.25.95 percentage. If you look at the FIS, currently they're having a shareholding of 40.90%. If you look at the DIS, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern: 16.60%, 17.29%, 19.96%, 20.09%, which is very good. The next stock in the list is from the paint industry. It is Asian Paint, one of the leader in paint sector. Currently, stock is trading 2,810, which is 21% discount from its lifetime high. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 52.63%. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 18.11%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern: 7.15%, 7.57%, 8.42%, 8.74%, 9.16%. The next stock in the list is, which is Federalite Industry, one of the undisputed leader in adhesive segment. Some of the top brands are Fabicol, Fevistick, Yamsil, Dr. Fixit, and many more. Currently, stock is trading 2,505, which is 17% discount from its lifetime high. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters, they're having a shareholding of 69.93%. The FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 11.08%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern: 7.30%, 7.48%, 7.73%, 8.12%. The next stock in the list is, which is Voltas. Voltas is one of the largest AC manufacturing company in India, which is part of Tata Group, one of the most respected group in India. So currently stock is trading 780, which is 42% discount from its lifetime high. If you look at the shareholding pattern, currently promoters, they're having a shareholding of 30.30%. If you look at the FIs, currently they're having a shareholding of 21.58%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. So 27.83%, 29.44%, 29.43%, 31.46%. The next stock in the list is, which is TCS, one of the leader in IT sector. Currently, stock is trading 3,374, which is 11% discount from its lifetime high. If you look at the shareholding pattern, promoters, they're having a shareholding of 72.30%. FIs, they're currently having a shareholding of 12.94%. If you look at the DIs, from last 4 quarters, they're consistently increasing the shareholding pattern. Currently, they're having a shareholding of 9.25%, which is very good.
Friends, in this video, we discussed about 8 quality stocks. They are trading in a discounted price, but domestic institutional investors, they are consistently buying the stocks. It means that they are very bullish about these stocks. Friends, if you summarize the stocks, the first one is DMart, Bajaj Finance, Divis Lab, Kotak Mahindra Bank, Asian Paint, Federalite Industry, Voltas, TCS. Friends, I hope you enjoy this video. If you like this video, please to subscribe, please to share it with your community. If you want to learn more about investment, you can explore my online course. Thank you.